Hi, I'm Jesse Krier from K2 Ranch in Clayton, Wisconsin. Welcome to the Greatmats Horse Training Series. Then we'll ask her to go up these steps. We've done the smaller step. I think we quit last time on this step with her. And this is a big step for him. Let her look at the situation, then request. A little bit of a stumble, but she does it. Go right back down, ask for that same one again maybe, and then we'll increase it to the larger one. Get a hold of her a little bit and keeping her between our reins. A horse that's wanting out of something, they're going to try and veer side to side. We want to keep them between our reins. That was better. A little more energy helped her out. She's got to learn where to place her feet too. We're not just on even ground all the time. A lot of uneven ground out here really helps her figure out where her feet got to go. She's got to survey the situation. She's never been on this. Look at it. She's looking for a way out too, but we're not going to let her. Any negative step is reprimanded, any positive step is reinforced. Reinforced with a reward or release of pressure. She's just nervous eating. It's a big step, girl. Can you do it? Good girl. This is Jesse Krier, and you've been watching the Greatmats Horse Training Series.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.